Good morning, guys! Good morning. Morning pa ba? What time is it, yo? Yes, morning. 11:43. We will go watch footy again. Ano sana? Yung plano ko sana sa Saturday ko is hindi sumama sa footy. But papuntahin dito si Mia at saka si Love. Kaya lang si Mia, she's not feeling well. So, get well soon, Mia. So, sinabi ko na lang kay Love na next time na lang. Sasama lang ako kay Dan sa footy. Tapos, I didn't make it to the family dinner as well last night kasi I was working. I finished at 9. Tapos, alam niyo naman yung family dinner maaga. So, they went to, hindi sila napunta sa bahay ng mama ni Dan kasi dumating sila nung Thursday lang. Tapos, pagod pa sila. They went on a 3-week holiday, diba? So, pagod pa sila. And, his mom, obviously, naiintindihan naman namin na ayun niya naman na magluto and na-stress. Di naman sa nasa-stress siya. But, you know, parang ayun niya nung hassle ng pagluluto sa bahay. So, they went out for dinner to last night. I didn't make it. So, ngayon, kikitain ko yung mama niya. Well, kikitain naman yung mama niya kasi nanonood na sila ng footy. So, that's what we're doing. Ang dami kong plano, guys. As usual, ang dami kong plano kapag wala akong trabaho pero hindi ko naman nagagawa lahat. Footy will take ilang oras ba? Like maybe 4 or 5 hours of my time today. And then after that, I think we will go to Kohl's and do some grocery shopping. I told Dan today na I want some salad. And he's like, what happened to the girl that I married? Bakit ngayon gusto mo na ng salad? Kasi hindi ako nagsasalad, diba? But for some reason lately, hindi ako buntis ha. Ito na naman tayo. For some reason lately, gusto ko magsalad. Yung lettuce na fresh. Oh, yummers. Anyway. Tatapusin ko muna yung mock-up ko, guys. Oh, by the way, I do things to my body. Babe! Yo. Come here. Hello, is that a worm, babe?
No.
Look at my eyes. No, look at my eyes. Can you see the contact?
Yeah.
It's very natural, right? Like, you can't even tell. Right, babe?
You can tell.
You can tell?
You can tell.
Up close. But it's good, right?
That's good.
Okay, I will be done in... What time is it? 11:04. We have time.
Ready for the fish?
Yes, I did. I'll show you guys the fish. They look really good. Binawasan namin yung plants kasi hindi ko talaga nagustuhan yung plants. Tapos sabi ko kasi kay Dan, huwag yan yung bilhin natin. Anyway, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Why am I so happy today? I'm so happy today. Like, I had a great week last week. No, this week. Hindi pa nag-end yung week. Yeah, I had a great week. I'm so happy. Like, I just feel so blessed. No, hindi to pecho sana. I just feel so blessed with life, with everything. Yeah. Sana masaya din kayo, guys. Kasi I am. And, yeah. Anyway, yung contacts ko nga, yung sinasabi ko, I got new contacts from, ipapakita ko siya sa haul ko, guys, because I'm so excited. I just looked it up myself kasi naghahanap ako ng bagong contacts na mura lang na mag-ship dito sa Australia, and I found the website. It's not sponsored at all. I paid it with my own money. I will show you guys sa haul. I think I will film the haul today pagdating namin galing footy. And as you guys can see, wala na yung mga lights ko because inano ko sila lahat. That's why I have been filming dun sa lounge. Inano ko siya. Ninigpit ko muna siya kasi I think I'm gonna revamp. Charot! Parang namang magagawa ko talaga siya. Hindi ko alam. Basta naguluhan lang talaga ako, guys. So, inano ko muna siya. And I think I'm gonna... Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko kaya yung mga ganito. Pero I will try. Tapos wala pa akong day off this week. I mean, meron Saturday at saka Sunday. Pero Monday to Friday, straight talaga ako trabaho. 9 pa yung out ko. So, nawala yung time ko doon. So, wala talaga akong time. But, I'll try next week. We'll see. Okay, wait. Tatapusin ko muna yung mukha ko, guys. Ang dami ko talagang chika-chika sa buhay. I'm just wearing my go-to footy outfit. Kasi sobrang lamig today. 12 degrees outside. Tapos mas sobrang lalamig pa siya sa footy. I will be wearing my jacket, yung my fur. Hello. Let's turn on the lights para makita nyo sila ng maayos. Look at them. Ganda niyan. Merong black dun. Ay, hindi siya black. Dark. Ay, blue siya tingnan kapag maliwanag. Pero sa gabi, mas dark siya. You can't even see him, right? But look at the colors. Ito maganda. Merong isa, tingnan mo siya. May pa-iridescent siya. Asan na yung iba? Ano na? Yun. Tapos we have the algae eater. Yung janitor fish. Asan na yun? Nagtatago na naman. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan na siya. Nawala na siya, guys. Ito maganda. Yes. Meron kaming 12. 12 pa din ba kayo? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Hello? There. Merong isa. Lagi siyang mag-isa. Nakakaloka. Tingnan nyo nga ito. Ayaw niya makisama. Lagi siyang mag-isa. This one. Nangyari sa'yo. Ito sila, friends sila. May walang friends. Kaloka. Asan si janitor fish? Baka hinahanap niya si janitor fish. Walay. Hi guys, nakauwi na pala kami kanina pa. Gabing-gabi na nga eh. Hindi naman gabing-gabi, pero katapos ko lang mag-film ng video. I filmed the whole. Wow. And, parang lalabas ata kami ngayon. Babe, do you wanna go out? Or do you wanna eat here?
I'm alright.
What do you mean I'm alright?
Doesn't bother me either way.
Do you wanna eat dried fish?
No, but I'm having eggs and salad over it.
Alright. I'm just gonna cook dried eggs. Dried eggs, no. Dried fish. Pero, it's frozen.
Put the frost back.
Huh?
Put the frost back.
Alright. Where is it? Okay. Hala! Papatay natin to kay Dan. Sapsap! Ang sarap. Mag-ano daw siya? Ayaw niya ayaw niya dyan eh. Nung umuwi kami ng Pilipinas, sobrang kain ako ng kain nito, pero ayaw ni Dan dito. Hindi daw masarap. Tapos ang baho daw. Pero ako sobrang nababanguhan ako sa oh my gosh. Guys, yummers! Wala, excited akong kainin yan. Kakainin ko na agad-agad. Hala, kailangan ko pa palang maglinis. Gulo dito. Okay. Luto lang ako ng rice. Hindi pa ako magluluto ng rice kasi hintayin ko pa na ma-defrost yung ko. Siguro kapag malapit na yun ma-defrost, magluluto na ako ng rice. Magva-vacuum lang ako, guys. Sana fully charge yung vacuum. Suot natin to si baby boy. Dami ko pang kailangan gawin. Kailangan ko pang tupiin yung mga niyan. Nag-offer si Dan kanina. Sabi ko wag. Kasi hindi ko bet yung pagtupi niya. Hindi tinutupi ng maayos. Tsaka ng pagkatupi. So ako nagtutupi ng Mag-vacuum muna ako. Wait. Mag-wipe muna ako. Tapos vacuum. Tapos tupi. That's a plan. No, I'm not gonna turn that off. I'll check the toilet. Sabi niya, nilinis niya daw yung banyo. Sobrang linis daw, sabi niya. Sabi ko, sure ka. Kasi ako yung naglinis sa isang banyo. Sabi ko, sure ka. Kagaya ng pagkalinis ko. Sabi niya, makikita ko daw yung reflection ko sa toilet bowl. Hala, in fairness naman. Magluluto ako ng tuyo, guys. Yung sapsap. I'm so excited. So Dan, what are you gonna cook, babe? So Dan. Is that better than my dried fish?
Way better.
I don't think so. You will try my dried fish, okay?
I can't wait.
You can't wait? Can't wait to eat it. Parang, yes. Kakalagay ko lang ng rice ko eh. Nilinis ko pa naman to. Tapos magluluto naman ako ng Yung Dan's favorite team is playing. Oh, kanina nanalo kami kanina. We won. And that was a really good game as well. Ilang points ba yun? What are you doing? Are you cooking it na? Do you need milk with that one?
You need milk.
You sure?
Yep.
So you're gonna boil it and then... Ganito dapat ang mag-asawa. Iba-iba yung pagkain. Babe, I cooked 2 cups of rice. I thought you were gonna do eggs and rice.
No.
I'm just gonna eat that tomorrow. With dried fish again. Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari dito sa dried fish na to. Kasi, di ba, frozen siya. Tapos, ano ko siya, tino. So, dapat kainin ko na siya. Agad-agad. Hala, ilan bang laman nito? 2, 4, 6. Dami yummers nito. Hindi ko siya gusto dalhin sa trabaho kasi baka ano, baka maamoy ng katrabaho ko. Ano ba yung pinagkakain mo, Raze? What do you think, babe? Smell it.
It smells from here. It's disgusting.
What?
It smells disgusting.
What do you mean?
It does.
Stop drinking my Coke. Oh my gosh, babe. Ah, he got me fruit. Ito, sobrang sarap nito. He got it from the Central Market. So, he got one more. Sabi niya, ang mahal-mahal daw ng fruit.
Tell
And then I
him how
got
much it
this as
costs.
well. It's $8. So, how much is $8 in Philippines?
Let me calculate it.
See. $8. A quarter of a watermelon. Is that a quarter?
That's a quarter.
Yeah, sige.
315
$3.15?
for a quarter watermelon.
Oh yeah, that's expensive. Pero ang sarap, guys. Pero kahit naman kasi sa Kohl's bilhin, mahal din. When he went to the Central Market na hoping na makakasave siya, pero mas mahal pa dun, pero mas masarap. And then he got grapes, kiwi, kasi I have been bringing fruits to work. I like it as my snack. Yes. Feeling ko kapag kumakain ako ng fruit, ang healthy ko. Kakain ako ng watermelon. Tingnan nyo ako kumakain ako ng watermelon, healthy ko na. Ano na, babe? Nihintay ko na matapos siya sa kanyang pasta para maano ko na, maluto ko na yung akin. Actually, babe, I don't really need that middle one. I'll just use this. I don't need, what? I don't need high heat. No, not at all. It's really thin. Do you see how thin my dried fish is? Guys! Luto ako ng, 8. Tapos si Dan, hindi naman masarap yung sa kanya, yung akin yung masarap. Malapit na maluto yung rice ko. Excited na ako. Yummers. Ito yung paborito ko talaga na tuyo. Yes. Kasi niya sa kaibigan niya yung picture ng tuyo ko. Nagtatawanan ako ni Dan kanina pa eh. Sabi niya, bakit daw ito yung paborito ko? Ang liit-liit na. Wala daw laman. Ito na. 8. I have vinegar, tapos nilagyan ko ng mga chili flakes, and then rice. Kain tayo, guys. Ipapatry ko kay Dan mamaya. Tingnan natin kung magugustuhan niya. Last time na tinry niya, hindi niya nagustuhan niya eh. But, we'll see mamaya. But, thank you, Lovely. Si Lovely nga pala nabigay sa akin ito. Sabi niya dun kanina, pupuntahan daw namin yung Asian store or Filipino store na pinuntahan niya. Binili niya nito. Naglalaway na ako, guys. Ilang buwan na ba ako hindi nakakain to? Kapag ganitong ulam, mas gusto ko na tinidor at saka kutsara. Mas nakakain ako ng maayos ng dried fish kapag ganito. Hindi ako masyadong nagkakamay kasi hindi ko masyadong nagugustuhan kasi pumapasok sa nails ko and feeling ko medyo nakakadiri ng slide. Babe, do you wanna try it now?
No, not yet.
Actually, try it now. So good, babe. I don't think you tried it at all. He was just like, nah, I don't like it. He didn't like the smell, so I don't think you tried it at all. Come on. Do you want me to put it in the vinegar?
Yes, please.
You want some vinegar as well?
Yes, please.
Yes, please pa. Okay. Ganito kadami. Tapos lalagay ko sa vinegar ng konti. Are you sure? I have some chili flakes in here.
That's alright. It'll help with the flavor.
Okay, just a little bit of rice. Yan. Sige. Over. Oh, eh. Over. Was that for the thumbnail? No, don't eat it. Don't, no. Babe, it's not that bad. Come on. It's just fish. Ew! You're so gross! Ew! Why did you do that?
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Was it really that bad?
Yes.
No, it's not. You're just exaggerating. Wow, babe. I don't think I would include that clip at all. When you spit it out. This guy. That was fun though. It's good kasi wala akong kahati sa aking It's good, babe, so I don't have to share it with you. It's all mine.
What do you want with these fish? You want to put them in the freezer again?
It's like I don't care. See, that's what I was thinking. I don't know. Should you put that in the freezer?
Yeah, put it in the freezer again. Right.
Sige. Ang itim tingnan over. Hindi siya maitim. Brown lang siya. And gusto ko yan. Akin yan. Nagluluto ako ng banana turon. Yummers. Meron tong hala. Where's the packaging? You threw it away? I think meron siyang langka sa ilalim. Masarap to. Gusto to na Dan. Sabi niya kasi gusto niya kumain. Tapos tinatamad siya lumabas kasi sobrang lamig sa labas. Tapos magdadrive pa kami. So sabi ko, ito na lang. Sabi niya, oh yeah, it's a good idea. Nakalimutan niya na meron kami ganito eh. And masarap to guys. Sa ko to nabili? Bamboo House. Yummers. Ang Yummers guys. Sabi ni Dan, masarap daw to kapag merong melted chocolate sa on top. Lagi na ng chocolate. Iniisip. Niluto ko lahat. Walo yung laman ng box. More babe. That one's not too hot.
I want a hot one.
Hot one? Oh, that's the latest one. You regret it. I will do my skincare routine and then I will finish editing my video. Kasi nag-edit ako kanina. And then, you got my phone? Thank you. Nag-edit ako kanina tapos hindi ko siya natapos kasi malulubot na charger na sa kwarto. So sabi ko na Dan. So sabi ko kay Dan, kwarto naman tayo benta. Pati dito sa bahay, nandito na nga kami sa bahay dalawa. Dapat magkasama pa kami papunta sa kwarto. Yeah, hindi ko natapos malinis yung bahay kasi namatay yung vacuum. Full na ba yung vacuum? Okay guys, I will see you on my next one. Hala babe! There's another I hate millipedes. There's a millipede, babe. Can you kill it, please? Babe, please. Because it's gonna go in. Look at it! Tingnan nyo nga yung millipede na yan. Nakakainis. Naka-zoom na yan ng bonggang. I hate it. Pinapatay ko siya kay Dan. Sige na, babe, please.